In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report bugs on WordPress.com. If you're a beginner, reporting bugs can sometimes feel a bit overwhelming. However, with a straightforward guide, it becomes much simpler and more manageable. So grab a cup of coffee, relax, and let's walk through this process step by step. First things first, you'll need to log into your WordPress.com account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard of your site. This is the main control panel where you can manage content, customize settings, and yes, report bugs. It's important to familiarize yourself with this area, as it's the cornerstone of your WordPress journey. Now, while you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There you'll see a little question icon. This icon is your direct line to support when things go unexpectedly awry, or when you need to report a bug. Clicking on this icon opens up a whole realm of resources designed to assist you. Once you click on the question mark, you'll notice a drop-down menu with several options. Don't be overwhelmed by the choices. What you want to do here is look for and click on the option labeled Still Need Help. This step is crucial as it takes you to the next level of support, where you can communicate directly with the WordPress support team. Now here's what happens next. After clicking Still Need Help, a chat window will open. This is where you get to describe the bug you're experiencing. It's helpful to be as detailed as possible when explaining what issue you're facing. Include steps on how you encountered this bug, what you expected to happen, and what actually happened instead. The more information you provide, the easier it'll be for the support team to assist you effectively. Once you've typed out your message, just hit send. The support team will then review your bug report and generally respond quite promptly. They might ask follow-up questions to get further clarity or offer solutions to resolve the issue. Patience is key here. Remember, real people are working to help solve your issue, so clear communication is the best approach. By following these steps, you can efficiently report any bugs you encounter on WordPress.com. Effectively using this reporting system not only helps you solve immediate problems, but also contributes to making WordPress a better platform for everyone. So never hesitate to report a bug when you find one. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this guide empowers you to take control of your WordPress experience.